What's up, you guys? Thank you guys for tuning in for another daily vlog video. We are on our way to the shop, 9 o'clock in the morning to 7 p.m. are our new hours. I don't know how long the hour's gonna last like that, but for right now, I mean, that's what we're doing. So right now is operation day 4 on remodeling the shop. We got two new showcases to us yesterday, and we got another one get dropped off today. So that'll be able to add up and clean up and display some more items for all the cool stuff that we have for you guys that we haven't posted about yet. So make sure you guys go ahead and drop the sub button, do all the YouTube stuff, and make sure you guys follow us on social medias if you guys haven't already. That does go a long way, and it helps, you know, promote everything. So if you guys need that daily car part action, we're looking for deals, and we do come across used stuff, and we do trade stuff and stuff like that. So you always want to stay up to date. You never know what's going to come in, you might need it. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's go ahead and knock some things out and go from there. I don't know if the boys are ready. 10 minutes late. If I beat you here, you guys are slow.
We're getting our food ready. I don't want to store the hours.
You can get food all day, any day you want. I do work out. She was already making you late?
I was in the car by
I don't want to pay $10 extra for DoorDash.
You make enough to not worry about that shit. That's the point of being convenience.
Okay, but also the point is saving.
No. Not when it costs you to be late to work.
I know.
You have to be here on time. It's very strict that we're here. Alright, so after that inconvenience.
We'll go late too.
I woke up at 8. I told him to get out of bed by 8:10. He was like, okay.
I believe Chris's story more than Gio's so far. But yeah, this is operation day 4. Getting started 10 minutes late. And yeah, we gotta, first things first, we gotta wipe down those beat ass cases. No, I'm just kidding. They're brand used. They're brand used to us. This is what you're trying to do when you try to build a business on a budget. But it looks so cool because after we clean them up, we did our best with all these showcases that came in. So you guys remember, this is a mom and pop business. This isn't corporation. There's no big head honcho that just floods this place with a lot of money. So it's definitely built on a budget, but just to show you guys can build dreams out of reality, out of nothing, if you work hard and stay working for it. So operation day 4 is in commence. Let's go ahead and see what we get into today, what kind of cool cars follow us today, and what car parts we sell. Let's go ahead and go. Today's mission is to install the Turbosmart blow-off valve onto the Evo 10. This one has an HKS replica that is already out. It doesn't really work too well, so we're gonna go ahead and swap that out. But first, we gotta go ahead and get that cold start going of the Evo and get it moved out. So we're gonna go ahead and unpackage this to show you guys the comparison to what we're replacing. This is kind of the heart of the beast for now. Little basic setup, but that's what we're gonna go ahead to get to replacing because it seems to not hold enough pressure, and it's already bad, so who knows how old it is. That's why we're gonna go ahead and update it with that one. Alright guys, so here is the Turbosmart blow-off valve that we're gonna go ahead and swap out onto it. Just a quick little overview of it before we actually get to installing it. Now I know a lot of people are a little skeptical on these because of how they are when they tune them, but we're gonna go ahead and have our experience with them versus based on everybody else. So if it is bad, we'll upgrade it. If it's good, we'll have a good time, don't worry. But we're gonna go ahead and swap that out. That's where it's gonna go, replace that old one. And like I said, this is what we're gonna get fast forward into. It's pretty cool because you have all your settings and everything. If you guys wanna open it, close it, etc. But to me, it looks really nice. I've used Turbosmart in the past before, so I think we'll have a good time with this. So let's go ahead and move on. So first piece of business is to get the old one off. This is what we're looking at, and this is what we're going to replace. So we're gonna go ahead and skip along, throw the new one on, and by the time you guys back, at least into this video, I don't know what else I'll show you guys or what's gonna happen, but next time we check in on the Evo, the new one will be installed. So let's go. So as we wait for the warehouse to open, gotta go ahead and support my boy, grab some watermelon. Hell yeah. Turbosmart blow-off valve install. So we're gonna take the Evo out in a minute, but just to show you guys, we are installing some 10 coilovers onto the Mazda RX-8. Make sure you guys hit us up for you guys suspension upgrades. You guys can find us the parts and the labor here today. All you have to do is be 18 years old, have active bank account, and you guys are straight. So this one will get completed later today. Let's go ahead and take the Evo out. So now we're going to take the Evo around the block real quick so you guys can get that Turbosmart sound if you guys own an Evo, if you guys want to hear what Turbosmart really sounds like. For the most part, every one of them sounds the same, depending on the type of blow-off we're going to use, of course. But we're going to do a little bit of shifting. I promise you guys that as I get better with this YouTube stuff, that I'll get better equipment, so that way I'm not shaking throughout the video and the video is not all over the place. But for now, we make do with what we got best of. So we are rolling around. Definitely A+ on sound quality. I just know I need to tune this car up because it's not all to its full potential. So I'll make sure to get this car on the dyno soon. And check out those APR side mirrors too as well. Now they do take some adjusting. They do take some getting used to at the beginning. Oh shit. Big fan of it though. So far so good. And yeah, we are rolling. Make sure you guys hit us up for those parts. Time to get back into today's video, back into see whatever other cool stuff comes by, and maybe the Evo hits the dyno soon, sooner than later. That's our goal. So more behind the scenes of Operation Remodel. We got our inventory check-in list on some special orders. We got more MST wheels coming, more Brom seats, more NRG seats, K&N intakes. Busted. Hey. Let's go ahead and move on. So today we are hooking up my boy with the carbon fiber hood for his Beamer. Let's go ahead and check that out. We already finished taking off the old one. He actually did that at home, and now we got the new one on. And we got my boy's Subaru here dropped off for a wheel and for that alignment. So we're gonna line that one in a minute, but show you guys the Sibon carbon fiber hood. Which the install of this thing was quite easy. So now when we close the latch up, I'll show you guys the difference right now. Sibon carbon fiber hood for the BMW F30. Now on this one particularly, you have to do some adjustments. This is temporary for the video to show you guys how it looks right there. We're gonna wipe it down. It hasn't been wiped down just yet. We just mainly focus on the style. Just look at that. Carbon fiber hood looks good. And it pops real good on the black too. It makes the whole front end just look way more aggressive. But like I said, with the adjustments, we're going to extend it forward and close that gap. There's a couple adjustment things you can do on the side latches, which is right there to close that up. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Hit us up for these Sibon carbon fiber parts. Let's roll.
You really are.
Busted. Alright guys, so as we extend the showroom, we are now able to display more wheels that we got in the back and extend it all the way. Hey!
Where's your mask?
Is that Kevin?
Hey Kevin.
From SpongeBob, bro. You know this. Oh man.
What's up, my bad.
No, that's he's Monsters Inc., that lizard. Remember? What's his
Randall.
name? Is that Randall?
Hey Randall.
Here, quickly, turn sideways. Just kidding, bro. You know we love you, bro. He's leaving. Alright guys, so we're displaying new wheels. And a bunch of other stuff. We got this one showcase set up right here, and then we got the other showcase to go around. And this is we're gonna go do a full circle for you guys. And this is the other showcase we're gonna work on displaying a bunch of other parts on. So, yep, day 4. All right, guys, Operation Day 4.
Operation R.
Day 4 is finished. We were able to fill up most of the showcases, the new ones at least, and then we got the new one set up right here. We're going to display our strut bars and a couple other items to, I don't know exactly yet, but we'll figure that out. And we got another showcase dropped off thanks to my boy right here. If you guys have any more showcases that are for sale, whether you used or something, please let us know because we need them. This time it's going to extend this way, and we're going to display all of our APR products, our spoilers, and a couple of universal things like that for carbon, and go on from there. So you guys can kind of see how it's coming along and how it's looking. Everything's looking pretty good. Extended all the wheels, everything else put together, and tomorrow we then venture off to day 5. Just check it out. Look at that, all those intakes and stuff in stock. But we got a lot of things growing, so yeah, gonna keep on moving. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try to burn Chris real quick on second gear. There we go. Gio, record it so I can see how it looks. Second gear roll again. Now we're gonna do a little 60 roll. Alright guys, thank you guys for joining the end of the video. This is just kind of raw. I didn't really record an ending, but right now I'm going to edit. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Do all the YouTube stuff. It really goes a long way if you guys haven't already. Stay tuned for more content on your way. Tomorrow we do it all over again, and we'll see you guys tomorrow from 9 to 7.